Dear friends, in the previous video we learned about how to control temperature and humidity, as well as factors that can potentially jeopardize the process of cooling, humidification, heating, or dehumidification. Today, I would like to delve into the critical aspect of environmental monitoring system, highlighting the vital importance of thorough validation and verification procedure after calibrating the instrument. It's crucial to underscore that mere calibration doesn't suffice to ensure compliance with good manufacturing practice (GMP) standards. We need to recognize that EMS is responsible for meticulously monitoring the environmental condition, particularly focusing on pressure cascade between rooms with varying grades. Validation of EMS involves demonstrating and documenting that the system consistently meets its predetermined specification and accurately measure the intended parameters within its operational environment. This process ensures the environmental monitoring system functions reliably and produces data that can be trusted for decision making. If validation is inadequately performed or omitted altogether, the repercussion can be severe, extending beyond operational inefficiencies. Incorrect validation, or worse, the absence of validation, jeopardizes the integrity of the monitoring data. This compromised data can lead to misinterpretation or environmental condition within critical areas such as clean rooms or controlled manufacturing spaces. In turn, this can result in the release of batches based on inaccurate or unreliable measurements, posing a significant risk to product quality, safety, and efficiency. Moreover, from a legal perspective, using improperly validated or unvalidated measuring equipment can have serious consequences. Regulatory bodies such as FDA or MHRA or other equivalent authorities in other regions mandate a compliance with GMP guidelines to ensure product quality and patient safety. If batches are released based on erroneous or inadequately validated data, a company can face legal ramifications including fines, product recalls, litigation, and damage to reputation. Therefore, meticulous validation and verification of EMS are not only critical for operational efficiency and data accuracy, but also for compliance with regulatory requirements and safeguarding for the legal standing of the organization. It's imperative that we uphold rigorous validation processes to instill confidence in EMS and the data it provides, ultimately contributing to robust quality management system and overall success to our operations. In alignment with GMP standards, our protocol is robust when addressing HVAC faults. When a fault triggers an erroneous room pressure deviation due to an environmental monitoring system displaying inaccurate data, the production room supervisor acts promptly following an SOP guideline. This ensures efficient management of situation and event escalation, maintaining compliance and operational efficiency. Environmental monitoring system is composed by multiple parts like differential pressure modules, programmable logic control, front-end panels, and the tubes which links the differential pressure modules to the rooms. So if there's any fault related to EMS system, the HVACs may carefully investigate the issue utilizing calibrated tools for precise local measurement. A broken tube into the link between the differential pressure module and the affected rooms is identified during this investigation. This revelation is crucial insight for the root cause of the anomaly, reinforcing the necessity for remedial action. In adherence to GMP principles, the HVACs may communicate this critical finding to the FEMS administrator, highlighting the urgency of corrective measures. The FEMS administrator, in line with their responsibilities, swiftly arrange for repair of compromised tube. This collaborative approach underscores our dedication to GMP adherence and equipment functionality, ultimately ensuring the integrity of our manufacturing process. Calibration and validation are crucial aspects of ensuring accuracy, reliability, and compliance with good manufacturing practice in the pharmaceutical industry. In the context of differential pressure module and the Pharma software utilized in the facility environment monitoring system, they play vital roles in maintaining quality and compliance. Calibration specifically focuses on confirming the accuracy of the DPM and its data interpretation within the Pharma software. The process involves aligning the display value of the front-end panel with those of the calibrated tool. This validation step ensures that the DPM accurately measures differential pressure and transmits correct data to the Pharma software. However, calibration alone might not identify faults in tubing that connects the DPM to the rooms. For comprehensive validation of FEMS, a verification test is essential. This test involves connecting the calibrated tool to the room's tube, allowing comparison data of reading between the calibrated tool and the Pharma front-end panel. Successful alignment in data reading validates the accuracy and reliability of FEMS. This validation process is a critical GMP factor in pharmaceutical industry. It provides assurance that FEMS can effectively regulate the air handling unit to meet the specific air quality and quantity requirement for each room. Compliance with GMP standards is fundamental to ensuring pharmaceutical products are produced under control and monitored conditions, meeting the necessary quality and safety standards.